Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to share my thoughts on the CS-2500 Undersink water filter system by APEC Water. This product has been quite impressive, and I believe there are some valuable lessons to be learned from it. First of all, let's talk about its features. The CS-2500 is a single cartridge filter that effectively treats most contaminants found in tap water. Its compact design makes it easy to install, even in tight spaces. The filtration media used is granular activated carbon, which is made in the USA. This carbon filter does a great job of eliminating lead, heavy metals, chlorine taste, and odor. What I appreciate about the CS-2500 is its suitability for low to moderate contamination levels. It's not the most advanced filter out there, but for everyday use, it gets the job done. Additionally, the high-quality material used in its construction helps prevent bacterial buildup, ensuring the water you drink is clean and safe. In terms of capacity, the CS-2500 can filter 1,000 gallons of water before needing a cartridge change, which typically occurs every 8 to 12 months. This is quite decent, considering its price point. Furthermore, it maintains a steady flow rate of 1.67 gallons per minute at 20 to 90 psi, making it convenient for use in the kitchen faucet. Now, it's essential to address some limitations. Unlike its more expensive counterpart, the WFS 1000, the CS-2500 does not filter VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and organic compounds. However, considering its affordability, this was something I anticipated. Speaking of affordability, the CS-2500 is light on the pocket, costing just $92.95. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, providing some peace of mind. To sum it up, the CS-2500 Undersink water filter system from APEC Water offers an economical and reliable solution for treating your tap water. While it may not excel against heavy sediment contamination, it performs well against low to moderate levels. Its compact size, long-lasting filter, and ability to target lead, chlorine, and heavy metals make it a suitable choice for many households. After installing the APEC CS-2500 Undersink water filter system in my bathroom, I noticed a slight improvement in water quality. The TDS, total dissolved solids, went from 46 ppm to 39 ppm, although the change was not significant. I live in Brooklyn, New York, where the water quality is generally good. But aging pipes may introduce more toxic metals. While the improvement was minor, I believe it's still beneficial. In my kitchen, I have an APEC reverse osmosis 5 filter filtration system, which provides excellent water quality with a TDS reading of 0. However, it removes all minerals, both good and bad. For drinking water, I would recommend the 5 filter system, but for other purposes like washing fruits, vegetables, and dishes, the CS-2500 is sufficient. A representative from APEC informed me that the primary purpose of the CS-2500 filter is to remove lead from the water. Since I have young children, it's crucial to eliminate lead contamination. As the system is installed in my bathroom and not used for drinking water, I find it suitable for my needs. It's important to note that only reverse osmosis can completely remove all TDS from water. To address the issue of water sheerness, I added a pH cartridge to my 5 filter system to increase pH levels and mineral content. The installation was done by a professional, so I can't provide any critique regarding the process. The water now lacks the chlorine smell, which was the main reason I purchased the filter for my kitchen. The chlorine in our water supply is quite strong and used to make the room smell like an indoor pool. In terms of taste, the water from the CS-2500 filter tastes clean with no noticeable flavor. The flow rate is good, and I plan to update my review if any issues arise within the first 12 months of use. However, I believe the filter would benefit from using metal hoses and obtaining certification. Although I understand that certification may be challenging for an inline filter, I purchased and used 2 CS-2500P and 2 CS-2500 filters in NYC, specifically in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, where the TDS readings are around 40 ppm. Installation was easy and quick, taking less than 20 minutes without the need for additional parts. The water flow was great initially, and I no longer experience red staining in my humidifiers. On the downside, the filter tends to last only about 2 months before the water flow decreases to about a third of its original flow rate. I replaced the filter after 3 months, but the same issue persisted. Due to the slow flow rate and the frequent need for replacement, I decided to remove the system from my apartment. I am also considering finding a more cost-effective alternative for my house. Overall, the APEC CS-2500 Undersink water filter system is easy to install and provides some improvement in water quality. While it may not be suitable for all purposes, it effectively removes lead and reduces chlorine odor. However, its lifespan and flow rate may be concerns for some users. I hope this review has been helpful and informative, and I encourage you to consider the CS-2500 if you're in the market for an undersink water filter system. Cheers to clean and safe drinking water. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.